In today's time, robots are no longer limited to factories. Now, these robots have arrived in humanoid form, looking like humans, speaking naturally, and thinking far ahead of humans in many ways. And in this race, there are some female robots that are redefining the future across the world, especially in developed countries like the USA and China, and are drawing the attention of the entire world toward themselves. So in today's video, we will talk about the top 5 female robots that are capturing the attention of the entire world. At number 5 is Grace, the healthcare robot. Grace is an advanced healthcare humanoid robot that has been specially designed for hospitals and elderly care. Grace's main focus is to have friendly conversations with patients, provide mental health support, and perform basic medical monitoring. In countries like the USA and China, where the aging population is rapidly increasing and there is a shortage of nurses and healthcare staff, robots like Grace can prove to be a game changer. This robot can analyze patients' temperature, heartbeat, and emotional state, and provide real-time data to doctors. Grace proves that robots are not just machines, but can also become care providers. At number 4 is Erica, the AI media robot. Erica is an advanced AI-powered female humanoid robot that is especially famous for human-like conversation. Erica can read news, conduct interviews, and give logical answers to complex questions. This robot is designed in such a way that it can copy the tone, pauses, and expressions of human speech. And you should know that in the media and customer service sectors, where there is a demand for 24-hour communication, robots like Erica can become anchors, hosts, or AI customer representatives in the future. This robot proves that AI does not only work in the background, but can also work in front-facing roles. At number 3 is Ameca, the most expressive robot. Ameca is considered the most advanced humanoid expression robot in the world. Its facial expressions are so realistic that sometimes people feel slightly uncomfortable after seeing it. Ameca performs on movements and facial muscle expressions so well that no one can tell by looking that this is not a real female, but a robot. At tech expos, AI conferences, and robotics showcases in the USA, Ameca has already shocked millions of people. At number 2 is Sophia, the world's most famous female robot. Sophia is no longer just a robot, but has become a global AI icon. Sophia is powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning, and has even given a speech at the United Nations. She has also appeared on top TV shows and tech events in the USA. This robot is a combination of facial expressions, conversation, and logical reasoning. Sophia's biggest impact is that it has forced the world to think that in the future, robots will not remain just tools, but can also become digital citizens, companions, and collaborators. And number 1 is Nadine, the most human-like robot. Nadine is counted among the most human-like robots in the world. Its face, expressions, and body language are so realistic that many people cannot believe at first that this is a robot. Nadine has her own memory, which allows her to remember conversations, and when meeting again, she can continue the conversation from where it was left off. And she talks with humans while maintaining eye contact. In research labs and universities in the USA, robots like Nadine are being used in education, psychology, and human behavior studies. In the future, robots like Nadine can come into roles such as teachers, assistants, or even companions. So these are the world's top 5 female robots. They're slowly blurring the boundary between technology and humanity. What do you think about these female robots? In the future, will robots become our helpers or replacements? Do share your opinion in the comment section. And if you like videos about future technology, AI, and robotics, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.